live I-75 South in Ohio, just south of Dayton. I'm about 20 miles north of Cincy. This is the winter storm that has made itself known. Originally, I guess it's only supposed to impact southeastern Ohio, PA, New York, and unfortunately it has been impacting Michigan, northern Ohio, but the worst of it I can see, and as you can see, is here in southwestern Ohio. It's pretty bad. It's not sticking as much here as it is up north, but it's bad. Visibility isn't that great. People are still in a hurry. I just passed a wreck. Pickup truck hit the center wall. He hit it so hard that he was turned facing oncoming traffic. The other one that I saw was actually an 18-wheeler car hauler had, I guess, possibly lost control and ended up in the ditch. My guess is upside down because the top cars were damaged. Everything was covered in grit, and I didn't see him, so my guess is they pulled him out before righting the rig and sent him off to the hospital to get looked at. So if anybody happens to see this is one of the first major snows that we've had so far over here in the Midwest. I'm heading down to Glasgow, Kentucky, so I will keep y'all up to date on our lovely winter weather here. And if you don't hear from me again until Christmas with my next video, Merry Christmas everybody, Happy New Year, and I pray 2021 is better for everybody. It's the Blue Eye Bandit coming to you live from I-75 South. Deuces, y'all. Bye.